Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by switching to a pro or business account so you get analytics. This matters for testing. Next, build a keyword map. Pick 10 target terms including short phrases and long-tail questions that match your niche. Once done, create a simple analytics sheet to log impressions, CTR, watch time, and hashtag performance. Do this now because testing fast shows you what gains traction. It reduces guesswork and lets you iterate content with real data. You now create short clips optimized for discovery. Open with the primary keyword in the first 2 seconds of audio so TikTok's ASR picks it up, and repeat that phrase in the caption. Make sure to include 3 to 5 targeted hashtags, 1 broad, 2 niche, and 1 branded, to balance reach versus relevance. Once recorded, pick a clear thumbnail and add a pinned comment containing keywords plus a call to action. This improves search signals and watch-through probability. You finish by running systematic experiments. Publish 5 variations for each keyword over 7 days and compare CTR, average watch time, and completion rate. Once you identify winners, scale by increasing posting frequency for the top 20% and repurpose formats that worked. If performance stalls, troubleshoot. Change the hook in first 3 seconds, swap the audio, or rewrite the caption and hashtags. Make sure to reevaluate analytics after 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.